confidence is something that has truly become the most intense whenever I am in charge of my breath, whenever I'm in charge of my own destiny, whatever it's my mind, whatever it's the thoughts about my mind or about myself, as well as the action that I make in this world. So here is how it starts. Anytime we're in the future or we're in the past, talking and thinking about how we're not good enough, how we can't do something, that's just our mind, that's just our clutter. And the way I've done this is, and how I became friends with my mind, is I literally use it as a billboard. So first step is just anytime your mind is too busy and cluttery for yourself, just push it to the side, make friendship. Don't tell your mind how bad it is, just say, I really appreciate you right now, but I'm gonna take your suggestion for a little bit later, as well as maybe I don't want to hear these suggestions. So we reprogram them. So wherever you are, let's get this party started. Fully in, let it go. Deeply into your nose. No force out of your mouth. Find the rhythm that serves you and just breathe and breathe and breathe. Think about it as the charging station, and as you're breathing, I want you to settle in. I want you to ground yourself on your body with your spine. You know, as you can see me, I'm in the water, I'm holding the rocks, I'm in my position, I'm in my center. Keep on breathing, fully in. Now final 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give me a massive inhale. Hold your breath. Squeeze your bathroom muscle, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, as well as your arms, and go in your power. Hold your breath on inhale. Squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Second round. Back to your breath. Fully in. As you can see, I'm just breathing. There's no bullshit. There's no clutter around. Keep on breathing. Keep on going further and further and deeper. Stay with me. Final 15 seconds to go. Go even further. Go even deeper. Make sure that you focus on a long, deep saturation. And with each exhale, find more oxygen. Find more confidence. Inhale. Final 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Massive inhale. Hold your breath and lock it up again. Your bathroom muscle, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, your arms. Hold your breath. Squeeze everything as much as you can. Keep on holding it, squeezing it even further. And exhale.